Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the OnePlus Nord 2T. I think you have realized it already. If you're long pressing the power button, you wake up the Google Assistant with. But how to power off the phone? For that we will need next to the power button, the volume up button. So if you press these both buttons now for the same time, you will have the power off menu and just confirm your power off and the phone will shut down. But there's a way also to set up the power button here as a real power button. Let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll down right next to the camera, then go to the symbol for the settings. And then you need to scroll down to the point System Settings. And here we have the point Power Button. And here you can select what you want to have if you press and hold the power button. Actually, we have the voice assistant, so the Google Assistant, but we want to have the power menu. Go in power menu here, and that means whenever you long press now the power button, you have the power menu. Just confirm then or power off, as I said, and the phone will shut down. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.